All right, today I want to talk about multiplying two-digit numbers, and I've been very lazy. I selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But first we're going to do 12 by 34, and then we're going to do 56 by 78. Fly buzzing around in here. Okay. Um, there are, I'm sure, many ways to do this, but I'll just show you the way I learned to do it way back in the dark ages. What we're going to do is multiply 2 by 4, and then we're going to multiply 1 by 4, and then we're going to multiply 2 by 3, and then 1 by 3. So we're going to do 4 different multiplication problems, but pretty easy ones, and then we're going to add up the results and put them all together. So we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. We should come out with 4 numbers here, which we can then add together and get the total. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 would be 6, but remember, this 3 isn't really a 3, it's a 30. That's in the tens place. So we need to put a 0 in here in the ones place to show that we're multiplying 2 times 30, or 2 times 3 tens. When we multiply this 10 by 4, we need to do the same thing. We put a 0 in there, and then 1 by 4 is 4. And when we're multiplying 1 by 3, well, remember, we got a 0 here and a 0 here. This is actually 10 times 30, right? So we need a 0 there and a 0 there. Got a couple of zeros that would go in the ones place. And 1 times 3 is 3. Here are 4 numbers that we can add up. 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 plus 0 is 10. So we have to carry the 1, don't we? The 0 goes there, we carry the 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4. We're going to do the same thing here again. We should come up with 4 numbers that we can then add up. 6 times 8 is 48. Actually, really, when I write these, they ought to line up in columns. So I got a little sloppy. 6 times 8 is 48. We're doing 50 times 8 here, so we put a 0 in that place. 5 times 8 is 40. Then we do 6 times 7. Again, we have to put a 0 in here as a placeholder. 6 times 7 is 42. And then we're going to multiply 5 by 7, which is really 50 by 70. We need a couple of zeros in here as placeholders, and then 5 by 7 is 35. And when we add all these up, we should get the right answer. $4,368. There you go.